Hello everyone, my name is Shantina and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be discussing how collagen peptides can dramatically reverse the aging process. Or should I say the appearance of aging. So if you're interested in this topic, keep on watching. So first off, what is collagen? Collagen is the glue that binds our bodies together. It is found throughout our whole entire bodies. It's found in our hair, our nails, our joints, our gut, our tendons, our muscles. It's found throughout our whole body. So as we age, we lose the natural production of collagen in our bodies. After the age about 20 or 25, we lose about 1% of collagen each year. And as a result, our bodies start to suffer. So let's talk a little bit about how we can stop the aging process and actually reverse the aging process. So of course, with the changing of our diets, taking antioxidants, putting sunscreen on our skin, exercise, etc., all of those things, yes, can help aid in the aging process, kind of slow it down just a little bit. And all of that plays a huge factor in achieving a more healthier, youthful look and feel. However, without the production of collagen, our efforts go at a snail's pace. So how do we combat that? With collagen peptides. So you ask, what is collagen peptides? So let's go ahead and look at it together. Collagen peptides, also known as hydrolyzed collagen, the long twisted amino acid chain that keeps up the whole collagen structure, are partially broken down into short chain known as peptides. This causes collagen peptides to be easier for your body to absorb and convert into amino acids once more. Plain and simple. So how can taking collagen peptides benefit you and actually reverse the aging process? Let's read a little bit further into this article. If you want to read more of this article, I'm going to leave a link in the description box along with a couple of other articles that you can read to support the information that I am telling you today. So as we grow older, the amount of collagen our bodies produce inevitably declines. After the age of 25 to be exact. Collagen peptides drop off sharply. There's some evidence to suggest that consuming collagen can help your body's collagen production. The body breaks down collagen into component amino acids, then uses those amino acids to make more collagen. This is believed, so pay attention to this part. This is believed to translate into more flexible joints and younger looking skin because they're more easily absorbed by the body. Collagen peptides are a better source of these essential amino acids. Plain and simple. Collagen supplements just don't make it easier for your body to produce collagen either. One of the amino acids in collagen, proline, is a key component of keratin. You may know keratin as a protein that make up your nails and your hair. Many people that use collagen supplements report that they have stronger, glossier hair and nails. Collagen peptides work best when they are taken in addition to healthy, balanced diet. You achieve your health, beauty, and performance goals more rapidly and effectively if you provide your body with all the nutrients that it thrives on. So in turn, basically, it reverses the aging process. Your hair go from dull and brittle to soft and shiny. Your nails go from brittle and dead to stronger and healthy. Your gut lining gets stronger, preventing a leaky gut. Your joints go from increasing arthritis to generating and rebuilding cartilage. Your skin go from thin, saggy, and wrinkly to a plump, hydrating glow, leaving you healthy and vibrant looking. So as you heard and saw, that collagen and collagen peptides is a wonder product that thrives in our body, that keeps us youthful looking, healthy, keep our joints moving, our gut healthy. All of these things that I am saying decreases with time. Your gut gets worse, your joints get worse, your hair is brittle, your nails are brittle, and all of these are signs of aging. So as you just heard and saw, that collagen and collagen peptides is a wonder product that definitely reverses the aging process. Just remember that consistency is key. You want to make sure that you are taking this product as it states on the container. Most of the times it's once or twice a day. I take mine once a day, sometimes in the morning and sometimes at night, just depending on how my day is going. But you want to make sure that you're taking it once a day consistently. And you should start seeing the reversing process in about 2 or 3 months. You want to make sure that you're also taking your vitamin C or a multivitamin, because vitamin C is like a building block for the collagen peptides to work effectively in your body. And you also want to make sure that you're exercising, and a healthy diet can't hurt either. So if you have any questions or want to do a little bit more research on collagen peptides, check the description box. I left about 3 or 4 articles that you can go read, and then it will lead you to other articles that you can read. You want to just make sure that you're doing your research before you take any product, any product, okay? You want to make sure you're doing your research. If you have any health issues, you want to make sure you consult with your doctor just to make sure that these products is going to be healthy for you. And you can also check out another one of my videos about collagen peptides. I have about 8 videos on my channel about collagen peptides. I will leave them in the description box. Go check them out. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And as always, remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in the positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.